Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the top memes coin you can buy for the week. So do not miss out this. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, go ahead, subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. All right. The first thing I want you to look at is this particular coin. This particular coin has gained a lot of audience after a serious oversold, after a serious downfall. A lot of people have actually started picking interest on this particular coin called H coin, and this particular coin have started doing well in the past. Though this particular coin had a serious issue and declined from over 0.7 or 8, let me see, from over 0. Yes, let me see the 4 hours. Okay, let me see the 1 day. Yes, it declined from 0.7 or 0.6, and today is going through a lot. Okay, what is important now is that it has started reviving and is now trading between 0.06 to 0.07. You can see right here, it's now trading between this and this. Okay, but this next week, from the research and also from the numbers of people that are actually trading this particular cryptocurrency, that is the 24-hour turnover, shows actually that this particular coin is gearing up to return to its previous positions. All right, so do not miss out this. And one of the most things I must advise you on this, is that you must not be greedy. Each time you see profit, take profit and wait for another opportunity. Okay, and do not invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, and you can also make your own research, personal research about this particular cryptocurrency coin before you can dive into it for investment. All right, so that's all. So the next one I would like to show you, like right now, is this particular cryptocurrency coin called the camp. Understand? It's called the camp. Look at the camp here. I've made some investment on this particular cryptocurrency coin also. This particular cryptocurrency coin have started gaining momentum. It means a lot of people have started trading it. Okay, the 24 hours turnover has started to make sense. That started to make sense. All right, because if you look at it in the past, this particular cryptocurrency coin have done some reasonable movement, but for the past 2 weeks it has been trading low. All right, and the trading turnover is actually increasing. It's actually increasing. It means it's getting up to pump again, because this has gotten to 0.001 before, and now it's counting 3 zeros again after the point. All right, so you can just watch it carefully, make your own personal research about this particular cryptocurrency coin, and start doing something for yourself. Do not also invest more than you can lose. And the advice is that instead of investing much on one particular cryptocurrency coin, divide the investment. Right, divide the investment so that you will not regret anything. Okay, so the other one I want you to look at again is called the TA coin. This particular TA coin, if you have enough capital that you can invest for long-term investment, it will be good. It will be very, very good, because long-term investment will help in this particular cryptocurrency coin, because in the nearest future, this particular TA coin will make something good for you. It will definitely make something good for you, because in the past this particular cryptocurrency coin has moved to 0.1 before. That's moved to 0.1, and even more than that, it has also recorded 0.3. It has also recorded 0.3 in the past. Let me see, because I've been trading this particular cryptocurrency coin for a very long time, and I've been actually doing a lot of cash out. You can see, here, this has also recorded 0.38455 before. That's recorded this before. So there's every possibility that this movement can also happen again. So what are you waiting for? Do well to invest, and also wait for your reasonable profits to load up. At the moment this load up, do well to cash out. Do not be greedy. Okay, see profit, take profit. All right, if you see profit, take profit. Take note of all this particular coin I'm posting. You can also take a look at ALX. ALX. No, sorry, ARX. You can also take a look at ARX. This ARX as well is part of the new baby. It's not been actually long, but it has been actually doing well, and a lot of people are actually picking interest on it. You know why? Because Bybit currently is advertising ARX. All right, it's advertising ARX. So each particular cryptocurrency coin that Bybit is advertising, it draw a lot of attention of investors. Okay, so you can take your time, study those coins carefully, and buy it for your own good. Okay, and buy them for your own good. So another one I would love to show you again is Pepcoin. Pepcoin. All right, this particular cryptocurrency coin is actually an old coin, and it has made a lot of people rich in the past, because if you are a crypto trader, actually you know where this moved from. If you have been trading this particular cryptocurrency coin called Pepcoin, you know actually where this moved from. So you can see that it's also attracting traders. It has over 1.8 million turnover. So looking at this carefully and doing this on your own will help you a lot. Okay, will help you a lot. So the next one I want you to look at is Gaip. Most of these cryptocurrency coin I'm actually showing you, I've already invested on them. Okay, I've invested on them. You can see this is Gaip. Let's see how much I put in Gaip. You can see I have roughly 38 right here on Gaip. In Gaip, sorry. So we can look at this Gaip carefully. It's 24 hours turnover is also accumulating, that is adding up little by little. We have over 155 turnover right now. 24 hours turnover. You can see this 24 hours turnover. You can look at it carefully and also see if you can actually invest. So you can see this kind of movement and lineup. It means this particular cryptocurrency coin might take a very reasonable move, because since the very day it was launched, it has actually been going down. It has never go above its launching price. It has only been going below the launching price. So this could help a lot. All right, so do well to invest, but I advise you to make your own research before doing any investment. All right, so all this cryptocurrency coin that I'm actually showing you, do well to make your investment. Also, you can do well to look at this Mavia. Mavia also has been struggling to come up these past few days, though it has a low 24 hours turnover, but this particular cryptocurrency coin is doing well. It's trying to come back to its feet. Okay, so this actually brings me to the end of this particular class. Make sure you go through this, make your own proper research before doing any investment. If there's any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.